my god. What the f?
Hey bro, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
Look,
Sorry?
do you have a quad lock?
No, I'm using this map instead.
Ah, check this out.
What's that?
It's a quad lock, bro.
What is this? Hey dude, bro, what is this? Man, what did that guy even give me? Mag ring, iPhone 12 case, weatherproof wireless charger head, vibration dampener, fork stem mount. What is this stuff? Hope I installed it right. That's nice and sturdy. So we have the fork stem mount, the vibration dampener that goes on top, and the waterproof charging head. All that's left now is to install the iPhone 12 case. On my phone it goes. Dude, that looks so good. And now I think we just snap it in like that. Dude, that's so clean.